Guys, we've all been there, right? Forgotten our lock codes and we're locked out of our devices. Now, if this has happened to you, particularly on an iPhone, there aren't a ton of ways to get round this, but there is one app that is going to get you back into your beloved device, and it's coming up in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, get yourself back into your locked device easily and quickly. Sounds good, right? Well, to be honest, this little gem of software is going to do just that. This is For You Key from Tenorshare. Now, if you don't know Tenorshare, well, they make a ton of cool software apps for smartphones and for your computers. Now, Tenorshare reached out to me and asked me if I take a look at For You Key, and I was intrigued, so I said yes. But remember guys, whatever I review, it's always going to be my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's take a look and check this out. Now, downloading the software is pretty straightforward. Just hop over to the For You Key website, pick your platform, and off you go. Now, when you have the software loaded, you'll see three options. 1, you can remove the Apple ID from your iOS devices. 2, you can remove the Screentime passcode. And 3, you can bypass the MDM or mobile device management on iOS devices. So let's fire up the app and take a look. So here you can see three options. We're going to pick the first one, which is to remove the lock code. We also have a disclaimer that warns us that all data will be lost. However, once up and running, we will be able to restore our data from a backup. Now, moving to the next screen, we can see that we need to put our chosen device into recovery mode. I say device as you can pick iPhone, iPad, or even iPod Touch. Now, instructions are given depending on your device of how to put your phone into recovery mode. So, I'm going to pick the iPhone, push the buttons as per the instructions, and now my iPhone has gone into recovery mode. But now that it has gone into recovery mode, slight problem is that my screen recording software stopped. So I'm going to have to switch over to the camera, and you're going to have to see what I'm doing on the camera. So moving over to the camera, we can see that we're in recovery mode with the Connect to Computer logo. On the computer, 4Key has asked me to download the relevant firmware. Now this takes a few seconds, and then it tells me the firmware has been successfully downloaded. Now we can click the Start Remove button. This took around 10 minutes to complete, but after that, boom, we were done. You even get to share your message to Facebook, so I don't know if that's your thing. Happy days. Now back to the phone, you can see we've got a brand new iPhone, so let's get it connected to Wi-Fi. And then from here, you can configure a new lock code, and you can either set this up as a new device or you can restore from a previous backup, which is what I'm going to do. And there you go, all restored to a previous backup. Obviously, I've sped this up to save you waiting, and you can see here my apps are reloading from the cloud or downloading from the cloud. Now you can do the same on Screentime. I don't have any Screentime set up, so I've added a temporary restriction and a passcode. I'm going to go to the Screentime unlock option, click on that, and in a few seconds the lock is removed. And going back to the iPhone, you can see that there is no Screentime code anymore. Now, the third option for MDM, well, I can't really show you that one as I don't have that capability. But if the other two options are anything to go by, this should be very straightforward also. So guys, there you have it. This was a quick demonstration of this really powerful tool. If you get locked out of your device, you could be back up and running super quick, and it's really easy. Guys, if you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon. Here, if you visit the website, you can see a list of prices to license this software. I'm going to leave any product links and discount codes in the description. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to Tenorshare for sending me this powerful piece of software. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.